Welcome to my channel Coding Draft by Kanika. Today we will discuss a Java program to create a smiley face using Swing. Now let's start today's lecture. Open Visual Studio Code. Now create a Java program file. So I have created a file named smileydraft.java. Now firstly we will import Swing package. Import javax.swing package is used for building graphical user interfaces in Java as it will provide JPanel, JFrame, JButton, etc. Import java.ewt, which is Abstract Window Toolkit. This package is used for handling graphics, colors, etc. Now I have declared a class named SmileyDraft which extends the JPanel. As here the class SmileyDraft is extending JPanel, it means it inherits all the methods and properties of the JPanel class. And here JPanel is a container where smiley face will be displayed. Here I have defined override. It means we are overriding method from superclass and in this case paint component method from JPanel. And after overriding, I have declared protected void paint component graphics G. It means this method will perform the custom drawing and G is a graphics object which is used for drawing. And after this I have defined super.paint component G. This will call the paint component method. Now I have declared g.setColor new color. So here g.setColor is used for coloring or filling the shapes. New color with 3 values represents the new color object with RGB components of color. Here this color is peach color. And after this I have declared g.fillOval. So this will draw a filled oval, or we can say a circle in this case because here we have specified same height and width with the current color peach, and this circle will represent the face of smiley. After defining the position and color of the smiley face, now we will define the colors and positions of eyes. So I have defined g.setColor color.black. So this will set the black color for eyes of the smiley face. G.fillOval and the respective values as the x and y values are in the left position. Now we will define the position of right eye. So I have defined g.fillOval. So this will draw the right eye according to the x and y position. G.drawArc. Now this will draw an arc which represents the smile on the face. 120 and 180 defines the position. 160 and 100 defines the width and height. 0 defines the angle in degrees from where the arc starts. And minus 180 defines the angle that the arc covers, which means in downward direction, to make it like a smile. Now close the paint component method. We will declare the main method, and in the main method we will declare JFrame. Now I have defined JFrame. Frame is equal to new JFrame title smiley face using Swing. Now this will create a new JFrame object and sets the title of the window to smiley face using Swing. Now this line will define that what to do when the user closes the window. So jframe.exit on close means the program will exit when the window is closed. Now this will set the size of the window 400 pixels wide and 400 pixels tall. Frame.add new smiley draft will add the custom swing panel to the frame. Frame.setVisible true. This will make the frame visible, but without this line, window would not be displayed. Now save this program and then we will run this program. So here you can see the output, a smiley face. So our program is completed. If you have any doubt, then you can mark your doubts in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.